Look after. To take care of someone or something. Example: can you look after my dog while I'm on vacation? Give up. To stop doing something, or to quit. Example: I won't give up on my dreams, no matter how hard it gets. Pick up. To lift something or someone. Example: can you pick up that book for me? Pick up. To learn or acquire, a skill or habit. Example: he picked up playing the guitar very quickly. Run out of. To use all of something and have no more left. Example: we've run out of milk, I'll go buy some more. Put off. To delay or postpone something. Example: I keep putting off my homework, but I need to finish it today. Turn on or turn off. To start or stop a device or machine. Example: can you turn on the lights? It's too dark in here. Look forward to. To be excited or eager for something that's going to happen. Example: I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Take off. To remove something, like clothes or accessories. Example: please take off your shoes before entering the house. Take off. When a plane leaves the ground. Example: the plane took off an hour late. Hang out. To spend time with friends or family in a relaxed way. Example: we are going to hang out at the park this afternoon. Break down. When a machine stops working. Example: my car broke down on the highway. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.